Hi students, now in this video we'll discuss about the BIOS, B-I-O-S. Okay. In general, if you want to know the full form, that is basic input output system, that is BIOS. Okay. So what does it mean and what is it? Is it a hardware or software? BIOS is a software and it is designed in the connection with motherboard. Okay, the BIOS software will change motherboard to motherboard. If motherboard differs, then the BIOS software will differ, and it is used for checking the working of hardware. Okay, and it is the bootloader when you load a OS. Okay, then the BIOS will help you to load. Okay, to update your operating system, right? So this is very essential if you want to add a hard disk or SSD to your current system, then you will need to confirm your hardware connection through the BIOS. Okay. If you want to add some RAM or graphics card, anything, your information will be confirmed using BIOS. Okay. It is the showcase of the hardware working properly. Okay. Then you can load the operating systems upon it. Okay, and now the BIOS is so advanced that you can update it regularly and enjoy the speed of services. Okay, so this is all about the BIOS. If your BIOS is not working properly, then you can load the operating system or update. Okay, that is problem. Okay, so that's it, all about the BIOS thing, and in the description I'll give you more details about that. Just have a look. Okay, thank you and bye bye, take care.